Hello dear students, good morning, welcome to NEET WORLD. This is your Abhilash sir. So, we will continue our discussion on IPE exams pertaining to senior IPE. So, now we will be discussing 2A, that is we started with theory of equations, we will complete that today. So, but before that I would like to inform again about our soft copy of the document that we are having, that is Maths 2A. If you want 75 out of 75, please download this soft copy. How to download this soft copy? Why you have to download this before that? See, very important questions are there, blueprint, simple and easy to understand, solutions are there, previous year exam question papers and also guest papers and model papers, very important, and then 60 days revision schedule is also given. For this what you have to do, a very simple procedure you have to follow. Below this video link, okay, below this video you will be having a link of our Telegram channel. Please join the Telegram channel to get the important updates. Apart from that, if you are watching this video, definitely would have subscribed our YouTube channel, or if you have not subscribed, please subscribe the channel and share it with your friends also. Apart from this, if you are on Instagram, please follow our NEET WORLD, what is that Instagram page. Then what you have to do is, see here, our app is there, that is MedSpace World app, that is MedWorld app. Please download the app on the Google Play Store and go to the chat section and type hi or hello. Okay, then immediately our team will contact you and immediately you will get the soft copy of this material. Alright friends, let us start with the discussion on theory of equations. Theory of equations, like I told you, one LAQ will be coming and one, what is that, one VSAQ will be coming. So, theory of equations, see here, one LAQ will be coming and one VSAQ will be coming. So, total there will be 9 marks from theory of equations, and very simple chapter, you have to do well in that chapter, okay, so that you score maximum. De Moivre's theorem already were done in 2 parts. Theory of equations. So, these are the questions which we have already dealt. Okay. Now, this is the question. See, already we dealt questions where we have to find the roots, and apart from this, we have solved the questions that are where they are given that one of the root is sum of half times the sum of the other 2 roots, and another one is those roots which are given in AP. Now, we will see the questions that are given in GP. Okay. If the questions that is given in GP, that is, see here, what do I mean by GP? So, see here. Solve the following equation given that the roots of each are in GP, that is geometric progression. Okay. What does it mean? It means they are in geometric progression. If they are in geometric progression, see here, what is this color? Just a minute friends. Solve the following equation given that roots of each are in, what is that? GP, that is geometric progression. If they are in geometric progression, roots are in geometric progression, how to solve this question? So, first let us take up the question, correct na? So, let us take up the question. So, see here, let me see the question clearly, so that we do not do any mistakes. So, 3x cube minus 26x square. Okay. So, let us take up the question. 3x cube, the question is what? X cube minus 26x square, 3x cube minus 26x square plus 52x minus 24 plus 52x minus 24 is equal to 0. Okay. This is the equation that they are given. So, we have to tell what are the roots. Okay. So, they are telling the roots are in GP, the roots of, it is given that the roots of 3x cube minus 26x square plus 52x minus 24 is equal to 0 are in GP, that is geometric progression. Okay. Let the roots be, so see here, let the roots be, see here, let the roots be, there are 3 roots, correct na? Let the roots be in geometric progression, let it be A into R is what? Common ratio, this will be A by R, correct na? A by R. Okay. Let the roots be A by R into, this is what? AR. Okay. Now, what we will do? We will take like the polynomial concept we will use, that is what? We will use that sum of the roots. Sum of the roots is what? A by R plus A plus AR is equal to what? Sum of the roots is what? This is minus B by A, that is 26 by 3. Okay. 26 by 3, correct na? This is equation 1. Let us keep it as equation 1. Now, what about product of the roots? Okay. Product of the roots is what? A by R into A into what is it? Into what is it? Into AR is equal to what? Is nothing but equal to minus B by A, this is C by A minus D by A, correct na? Minus D by A, that is what? 24 by 3. That is what 24 by 3. Here see R and R will cancel, 3 1s are 3 8s are okay, a cube is equal to 8. Okay, that means what? A is equal to 2. Okay, we got A is equal to 2. Okay, put A is equal to 2 in equation 1. What we'll get? Put A is equal to 2. We got it. Okay, put A is equal to 2 in equation 1. Put A is equal to 2 in equation 1. What we'll get, friends? Okay, put A is equal to 2 in equation 1. We'll get what? So see here, when we put A is equal to 2 in equation 1, we'll get 2. I'll take it as common. So this will be 1 by r plus 1 plus r is equal to what? Is equal to what is this? 26 by 3. So this is what? If I take A common, 1 by r plus 1 plus r is equal to what? 26 by 3 we will get. Correct na? 26 by 3. Correct na? So A we took it as what? A is 2 because we got it here. Now what I can do? 2 ones are 2 13s are. So this will become what, friends? So this I can take LCM. This will be 1 plus r square is equal to what? This I will take 3 here. This will be equal to 13 into r. Correct na? 13 into r. Correct? 13 into r. So this will be, on solving this, what I will get? 3r square plus 3r plus 3, okay, minus 13r is equal to 0. Okay, minus 13r is equal to 0. So 3r square, okay, this is that 3r minus 13r, this will be minus 10r plus 3 is equal to 0. Correct na? Plus 3 is equal to 0. This is what we will have. Correct na? This is what we will have. 3r square, okay, minus 10r plus 3 is equal to 0. This is what we will have. Correct na? So 3 3s are 9. So this is what? 3 3s are 9. Correct na? 3 3s are 9 we will have. So minus 10r plus 3 is equal to 0. So 3 3s are 9, minus 10r minus r. Correct na? I can take it as minus 9 minus 1, I can take it. So on solving this, what I will get? So see here, on solving this, what I will get? I can take the roots as what? 3r square, I can take it as 3r square minus 9r minus r, okay, that will become what? Minus 10r. So 9 into 1, it will become 9 only. 3 3s are 9. Correct na? So plus 3 is equal to 0. This is what I have. Now what I can take common? 3r I can take common. Here I can take what common? I can take 3r common is equal to 0. So 3r, if I take common, this will become 3r. Okay, what is this? This will become what? 3r, if I take common, this will become r minus 3. This will become r minus 3. Okay, this will become r minus 3. Minus, if I take common, this will become r minus 3 again is equal to 0. So further what I will have? Next page, 3r into what is this? 3r, just a minute. What is that I have? So see here, 3r minus 1. Okay, 3r minus 1, 3r minus 1, and another one root is another factor is r minus 3 is equal to 0. So what will I get? R is equal to 1 by 3 or r is equal to 3. This is what I will get. R is equal to 1 by 3 or r is equal to 3. So this is what I will get. Correct na? So we will get r is equal to 1 by 3 and r is equal to what is that? 3. So if I take r is equal to 1 by 3, if r is equal to 1 by 3, if r is equal to 1 by 3, what I will get? A is already 2. Okay, AR will be what? AR will be 2 by 3. Okay, A by R will be what? A by R will be, what is that? A by R will be 2 by 1 by 3 means it will become 6. Correct na? If R is equal to, this is what? This is decreasing GP. Otherwise, if I take R is equal to 3, A is equal to 2. Okay, AR will be what? 3 into 2 is 6. Okay, A by R will become what? 2 by 3. So we got the roots. Whatever you can take the value, no problem. So therefore the roots of given equation are given equation are, you can write it this way, increasing or decreasing. Okay, decreasing GP or increasing GP, whatever it is, doesn't matter for us. We need the roots, that is 2, 2 by 3 and 6. Okay, or you can write it as 2 by 3, okay, 2 and 6. So this is the answer, friends. This is how you have to solve this question. Clear na? If they have given it in GP, this is the way to solve the question. Very simple. Okay, just you have to take the roots as A by R and also A into R. Okay, 3 roots. If it is given, this is the way you have to solve this question. Clear, friends? Let us move to the next question. I hope it is clear. Let us move to the next question, friends. Okay, same thing we got here. 2 by 3, 2, 6. Okay, 2 by 3 only. Correct. So okay, this AP question we already solved. Look at this question, very important question, highly important. See here, solve this question, given that the product of the two roots is 6. They are telling what? Product of the two roots is given as to be 6. Okay, product of the two roots is given to be 6. This is the question they have given. So please observe carefully. So this is a biquadratic equation, that is x to the power of 4 is given. They have told product of the two roots is equal to 6. Okay, product of the two roots is equal to 6, and this is the equation they have given. Okay, so product of the two roots is given to be 6. We have to find the other roots. Okay, product of the two roots is given. Two roots are not given. Product of the two roots is given. Okay, so this is a biquadratic equation. If you know the concept of polynomials, this is very simple. Okay, let us solve this. Little calculated intensive, but conceptually very simple. Okay, so let us solve this question. So solution. The given equation is what? The given equation is, what is that? The given equation is what, friends? The given equation is x power 4 plus x cube. Okay, x power 4 plus x cube minus, what is it? X power 4 plus x cube minus 16x square minus 4x minus, what is the question? Minus 4x plus 48 is equal to 0. Plus 48 is equal to 0. Okay, let alpha, beta, gamma and delta be the roots of the equation, roots of the given equation. Okay, they have told what? Product of the two roots. Product of two roots, that is equal to alpha into beta is equal to 6. It is given. Okay, let this be equation 1. Okay, this is equation 1. It is given. They have only given product of the two roots is equal to 1. Let us write this as alpha gamma instead of alpha. Let us write it as alpha into beta. Alpha into beta is equal to what? 6. Okay, let us write down the other concepts that we have. That is sum of the roots. Sum of the roots is what? Alpha plus beta plus gamma plus delta is equal to what? Is equal to minus b by a. Minus b by a means this is nothing but equal to minus 1. This is equation 2. Okay, next what we should write? Alpha beta beta gamma, that is product of two roots. Okay, product of two roots. Product of two roots means that will become what? Alpha beta, beta gamma, okay, gamma delta, okay, then delta alpha, okay, delta alpha. What else is left? Beta delta, okay, beta delta. What is this? Alpha beta beta gamma, gamma delta, delta alpha, beta delta and alpha gamma, correct na? Alpha gamma, alpha gamma. This is what? This is minus b by a, this is c by a. C by a means this is minus 16 itself. Okay, minus 16 will remain as it is. This is equation 3. Now product of three roots. Okay, product of the roots taken 3 at a time, that means what? Alpha beta gamma, okay, beta gamma delta, okay, gamma delta alpha, okay, gamma delta alpha. Next what is there? Delta alpha beta, delta alpha, okay, delta alpha beta is equal to what? Is equal to this is minus b by a, this is c by a, okay, this is c by a, this is what? This is minus d by a. Minus d by a means this will become what, friend? This will become equal to 4. This will become equal to 4, correct na? This will become equal to, this is what? Minus b by a, this is c by a, this is minus, this is b by a, this is minus b by a, this is c by a, this is just c by a, this is minus d by a means this will become 4, correct na? Then we will take what? We will take product of all the roots. Alpha beta gamma delta is equal to what? Alpha beta gamma delta is equal to what? So this is what? This will become, what is this? Minus d by a, this will become, last one will become c by a. Okay, this will become c by a, that is equal to 48. Okay, but we know that this is equation 2, 3, 4, this is equation 5. Okay, this is equation 5. But we know that alpha beta is equal to what? 6. If I put alpha beta is equal to 6, okay, from 1, okay, alpha beta is equal to 6. So what I can write here? So, or I can write using 1. I can write what, friends? Using 1. Alpha beta will become what? 6 into gamma delta is equal to what? Gamma delta is equal to 48. That implies what? Gamma delta will become equal to 48 by 6, that is nothing but equal to 8. Okay, that is nothing but equal to 8. This is 6. Okay, this is 6. So we got what? Gamma delta is equal to, okay, gamma delta is equal to 8, that is equal to, this is equation 6. Now further what we have to do? So see here, now this we got, now gamma delta we got, okay, alpha beta we got. Now what I can do here friends, I can take whatever alpha beta, this what are the things I can take common. So see here, let us consider this. If we consider this, what we are having now, this I can write it as what, let me go to, or let me write it here itself, okay. So see here, alpha beta is what, alpha beta is what friends, alpha beta is 8, okay. What is this, gamma delta is there and gamma delta is there, here alpha beta is there. So alpha beta I will take common, here I can take alpha beta common, here also I can take alpha beta common. Alpha beta if I take common, what I will get here, alpha beta if I take common here, I will get gamma plus delta. Here if I take, okay, gamma delta if I take common, what I will get, okay, gamma delta if I take common, I will get alpha plus beta, okay. That is equal to what friend, that is equal to 4, correct na. But we know alpha beta is equal to what, alpha beta is equal to 6, okay, gamma delta is equal to what, 8, just put the values, okay. We will get what, this implies what is that, alpha beta is equal to what, this implies alpha beta is equal to, okay, alpha beta is equal to 6, okay, into gamma plus delta, plus gamma delta is equal to what, 8, correct na, 8 into alpha plus beta, that is equal to what, we are having 4, okay, we are having 4. Now see here, from this equation 1, what I can write, so alpha plus beta is there, gamma plus delta is there, equation 2, okay. So from equation 2 what I can write, so further, okay, what I can write, alpha plus beta can be written as what, minus 1 minus gamma plus delta, okay, minus 1 minus gamma plus delta. Therefore here instead of gamma plus delta, what I can put it as what, 1 minus, what I can put, instead of alpha plus beta I can write it as what, 1 minus, minus 1 minus, what is it, minus 1 minus, what is it, I can write this, I can write it as minus 1 minus gamma plus delta, correct na, minus 1 minus gamma plus delta, here I can write it. Instead of alpha plus beta I can write it as what, minus 1 minus gamma plus delta. So let me copy this down. First what I am having, 6 times alpha plus beta plus 8 times gamma plus delta, correct na. So see here, alpha beta 6 times alpha gamma plus delta, 8 times alpha plus beta. So alpha plus beta we got the value as minus 1 minus of gamma plus delta. So instead of alpha beta what I can write, 6 times minus 1 minus of gamma plus delta, okay. This is equal to what, this is equal to what we got, this is equal to 4. So let me write is equal to 4 here, correct na. So this is entire thing, 8 times gamma plus delta is equal to 4. So this will become what friends, 6 into minus 6, okay, minus 6 times gamma plus delta, okay, plus 8 times gamma plus delta is equal to 4, okay. This 6 if I send it that side, it will become what, it will become what friends, if I send 6 that side, it will become plus 6, so that will become 10. So minus 6 gamma plus delta plus 8 gamma plus delta, it will become 2 times gamma plus delta, 2 times gamma plus delta is equal to 10. So gamma plus delta is equal to what, gamma plus delta is equal to what, 10 by 2, that is equal to 5, okay. Gamma plus delta we got it as what, gamma plus delta is equal to 5. So gamma plus delta we got it as 5. Therefore alpha plus beta will become equal to what, alpha plus beta will become equal to what, so therefore alpha plus beta will become equal to what, alpha plus beta will become equal to, okay, 1 minus, what is that, minus 1 minus gamma plus delta is what, 5, correct na. So this will become what, this will become minus 6. So alpha plus beta will become equal to what, will become equal to minus 6, okay. Alpha plus beta will become equal to minus 6, okay. So we got it, correct na. Now see here, gamma plus delta is equal to 5, but gamma delta is equal to how much, gamma delta is given as what, we got it as 8, okay. We get 8, only this product should become 8, correct na, this product should become 8 and sum should become, see here, gamma plus delta is equal to 5, this product should become 8. So what is the possibility that we have? So gamma plus delta, see, just a minute, let me check, gamma plus delta is equal to 5, correct na. Alpha plus beta is equal to minus 6. Let us check, just a minute. 2 times, see here, if it goes that side, 2 times gamma plus delta is equal to 10, okay. So gamma plus delta is equal to 5, okay. Gamma plus delta is equal to 5, alpha plus beta is equal to minus 6, alpha plus beta is equal to minus 6 we got. Now gamma delta is equal to 8, but sum is coming out to be, what is it, sum is coming out to be 5. So what I should take, for the sum to come out to be 5, what we should take? So see here, otherwise we can take here, okay, otherwise on solving this what we can take, so on solving this what we will get is, see here, this will be alpha plus beta is equal to minus 6, correct na, alpha plus beta is equal to minus 6. So this one further we can manipulate and we can make it as what, alpha plus beta we can make it as 5, okay, alpha plus beta we can make it as 5, and also gamma plus delta, okay, will become minus 6, okay, if you take it the other way. Now this will be suitable, why? Because see here, this will make our life easier, okay. So this one, on doing this what we will get further, see here, I can write it here, you can write it here. So this will give us equal to this much. Now on solving this we will get equal to this one, alpha plus beta is equal to 5, gamma plus delta is equal to minus 6. Now alpha beta is equal to what? Alpha beta is equal to 6. That means what? Alpha is equal to 2 and beta is equal to 3, or alpha is equal to 3 and beta is equal to 2. This is the only possibility. Alpha gamma delta is equal to minus 8, gamma plus delta is equal to minus 8, okay, gamma into delta is equal to product is 8. So this is possible, okay. If alpha is equal to, if gamma is equal to, what is it, minus 2, then delta should be equal to minus 4, or if gamma is equal to minus 4, okay, delta should be equal to minus 2. This is the only possibility, okay. Therefore what? Therefore the roots are, what are the roots that we got? 2, 3, okay, 2, 3, and also what is it, minus 4 and minus 2, okay. These are the roots of the equation. So finally we solved it, okay. This is the way you got to solve this question, clear na? This is the way you to solve this question, clear na? So therefore the roots are 2, 3, minus 4, minus 2. This is the way you have to solve this question, friends, clear na? So alpha plus beta is equal to minus 1 minus gamma plus delta. This is the way you can solve. Otherwise what you can do here, otherwise you can take it here like this also. See, if you want it in terms of gamma plus delta, so gamma plus delta, see here, I can write it as what, gamma plus delta will become equal to what, gamma plus delta, see here, gamma plus delta, I can write it in terms of gamma plus delta will become equal to what, minus 1 minus alpha plus beta, okay. So gamma plus delta will become equal to what, minus 1 minus alpha plus beta is equal to what we got here, so alpha plus beta, correct na? So here what I can do, so this will become what, 6 times gamma plus delta, 8 times alpha plus beta is equal to 4, 6 times what I can write here, 6 times what is it, 6 times gamma plus delta, correct na? 6 times alpha beta if I take common, gamma plus delta, so gamma delta if I take common, alpha plus beta, okay. So 6 times what is it, gamma plus delta plus 8 times alpha plus beta is equal to 4, okay. So wherever gamma plus delta is there, what I can write it as in terms of minus 1, okay, minus alpha plus beta, this is what I can write it, plus 8 times alpha plus beta is equal to 4 I have. So this is minus 6, okay, minus 6 times alpha plus beta, okay, plus 8 times alpha plus beta is equal to 4. So this is what I'll get 2 times alpha plus beta is equal to what I'll get, 10, okay. So alpha plus beta will become equal to 5. Therefore this implies gamma plus delta will become equal to what, will become equal to minus 1 minus 5, that will become equal to gamma plus delta will become equal to minus 6. That's it, same thing, okay. Let us proceed to the next question. I hope it is clear now. Let us move to the next question, friends. What is the question that we have? Next question, observe here carefully. This question we already solved. This is already done, okay, by minus 2. But before that, one more question is there in GP, okay, given that the roots are in geometric progression, okay. This is another one in the question that is in GP. But before this, let us solve this question, okay. Let us solve the GP question first. GP question, okay. Solve x cube minus 7x square plus 14x, okay, x cube minus 7x square, okay, x cube minus 7x square plus 14x minus 8 is equal to 0, given that the roots are in geometric progression, okay. This is the question, okay. This is the question that they are given, observe carefully. So this is the question they are telling, given that the roots are in geometric progression, similar to one of the question we solved, okay. Let us solve this question, friends, okay, given that the roots are in geometric progression, all right. Solution. What is the given equation? The given equation is what? X cube minus 7x square, x cube minus 7x square, okay, x cube minus 7x square plus 14x minus 8 is equal to 0. This is the equation. X cube minus 7x square plus 14x minus 8 is equal to 0, okay, and the roots are in GP, okay. Let the roots be here again 3 roots. Let the roots be a by r, a and ar, where r is what? Common ratio, okay. Let the roots be this one. Now same procedure, sum of the roots, that is a by r plus a plus ar is equal to what? Sum of the roots is what? Sum of the roots is minus b by a, that is here minus b means it is 7, okay. This is equation 1. Product of the roots, a by r into a into ar, that is nothing but equal to what? That is nothing but equal to, what is this? Minus b by a, c by a minus d by a, that is equal to minus of minus 8 is this 8 itself. So this will become what? R and R cancels, we will get what? A cube is equal to 8, a will become equal to what? 2, okay. Put 2 in 1, okay. We will put 2 in equation 1, okay. We will put 2 in equation 1. What we will get, friends? If we put 2 in equation 1, we will get a by r, correct now? So we will take what we will get? 2 by r plus 2 into r is equal to 7. This is what we will get, correct now? What I can do? I can take 2 common. If I take 2 common, this will become what? 2 into 1 by r plus 1 plus r is equal to 7, right? This is what I will have. So if I take LCM, this will become what? 1 plus r square. So this will become, let me write it here. So this will become, okay, this will become 2 into 1 plus r square, okay, is equal to 7r. R will go this side. Now what I can do? 2r square plus 2r plus 2, okay, minus 7r is equal to 0. What will this be? 2r square minus 5r plus 2 is equal to 0, okay. 2r square minus 5r plus 2 is equal to 0. What are the factors? Minus 5 means minus 4 minus 1. This will be 2r square, okay, minus 4 minus, what is this? Minus 4r minus r plus 2 is equal to 0. What I can take common? 2r I can take common. So 2r if I take common, this will become what? R minus 2 minus r minus 2. This is what we will have. So r minus 2 into 2r minus 1 is equal to 0. So we will have what? R is equal to 2, comma, r is equal to 1 by 2. This is what we will have, okay. R is equal to 2, r is equal to 1 by 2. These are the two values of r we will have. So if I take r is equal to 2, what I will get? Now let us go to the this one. What is that? So if r is equal to 2, if r is equal to 2, okay, a already we got, a is what? A is 2, okay. So ar will be equal to what? Ar will be equal to 4, okay. A by r will be equal to what? A by r will be equal to 1, correct now? So a by r will be equal to what? 1. If r is equal to 1 by 2, okay, a is 2 only, ar will be equal to what? 1, a by r will be equal to what? A by r will be equal to 4. So this is what we have. Therefore the roots of the given equation are, okay, the roots of the given equation are, the roots of the given equation are, you can take this one or this one, okay, increasing GP or decreasing GP, whatever it is, we can take it. So this will become what? You will take it as 1, okay, 2 and 4, okay. These are the roots of the given equation. Final answer. These are the roots of the given equation 1, 2, 4, or you can take it as, you can also write it as, or you can take it as or 4, 2, 1, either increasing or decreasing, like this. You can write it like this, both ways, okay. So let us check the answer. So same thing we got 1, 2, 4 or 4 to 1, same thing, correct na? So this is the simple way to solve this question. When they have given it in geometric progression, we have solved questions on geometric progression. Yesterday we solved questions on arithmetic progression. One more typical question is there, very simple question, but we will see how to solve this. So they have given what? Find the polynomial equation whose roots are translates of those of the equation x power 4 minus 5x cube plus 7x square minus 17x plus 11 is equal to 0 by minus 2, okay. Whose roots are translates of those of the equation by minus 2. By minus 2 means you should, that is what? X minus 2 is equal to 0, that means what? X is equal to 2. So let us take this question, okay, let us take this question. So we have to find the polynomial equation, okay, we have to find the polynomial equation. what is the question that they have given? So question that they have given is, so see here, solution. Okay, the given equation is, okay, you have to write it, the given equation is, just a minute, please write down the steps. It's IPE exam, you have to write each and every step, okay, clearly. Okay. Okay. All right. The given equation is what, friends? The given equation is, what is it? X power 4 minus 5x square plus 5x cube plus 7x square. The given equation is x power 4 minus 5x cube plus 7x square minus 5x cube plus 7x square minus 17x plus 11 is equal to 0. Okay, okay, plus 17x is equal to 0, okay. This is the given equation. To obtain the translated, okay, this is what, this is equal to 0. So we want what? To obtain the translated equation, what we have to do to obtain the translated equation? Okay, apply synthetic division by the root 2, okay. It is not root 2, by the root 2, by using the root 2, okay. It is not root by, it is, you should understand, it is not root 2, it is by using the root 2, by using the root 2, okay. This is what is the meaning, by using the root 2, okay. This is what is the meaning by using the root 2 means, clear na? By using the root 2. Why root 2? Because see, by minus 2 they were given, means that means what? By see, they were given by minus 2. By minus 2 means it is understood as what? X minus 2 is equal to 0. That means what? X is equal to 2. That's why it becomes by root 2. You have to understand this. Clear na? Now let us apply the synthetic division very carefully. So first we have to write down what? Synthetic division. We have to write down the coefficients. Correct na? This is what? 1, 5. Okay. Minus 5 along with the sign. 7. Okay. Let us give some space. Okay. 1 minus 5, 7, what is it? Minus 17, what is it? 11. This is what we have. Now the root is what? 2. Okay. So first step is what? See here. First step is, see here. Observe. So 0 you put, first one you add it as it is. 2 into 1 is what? 2. Okay. Minus 5 plus 2 is what? 3. 2 into 3 is what? 6. Na, correct na? 7 plus 6 is what? 7 plus 6 is what? 13. Okay, 7 plus 6 is what? 13, correct na? 7 plus 6 is what? 13. So this is, actually this should be minus 3 na? This is minus 3. This is minus 3. So 2 into minus 3 is minus 6. 7 minus 6 is, okay, what is it? 1. 2 into 1 is what? 2. So this will become what? Minus 15. Okay, this is what? Minus 15. 2 into minus 15 is what? Minus 30. Okay, minus 30. This what will get? Minus, what is this will get? Minus 19, correct na? Minus 19. Here what you have to do? You have to take this value. Let this value be equal to E. Last value we should take it as equal to E. Now let us continue for the remaining thing. Okay, let us continue for the remaining thing. So see here. So this will become what, friends? Again you add it. Okay. So this will be 1 plus 0 is 1 only. 1 plus 0 is 1 only. Again you have to do by 2 only. Don't have to write 2 again and again. So this is 2 ones are 2. So this will become what? Minus 1. This is 2 ones are 2. This is minus 2. So this will become minus 1. So 2 ones are 2. This is minus 2. This will become what, friend? This will become minus 17. Correct na? This is minus 17. So this is the last value. So what I should take? Why I am taking E? Because see, this is of which form? So see here, this is of which form? See here. So see here, this is ax power 4, okay, bx cube, okay, this is b is there, okay, c x square, this is d, okay, dx plus e, correct na? Plus c. That means what we have to find? First find out A, B, C, D, E. Okay, A, B, C, D, E we have to find out. So E we found out. So this value will become equal to what? This value will become equal to D. Okay, this value will become equal to D. Correct? This value will become equal to D. Now let us continue. So see here, for this we will apply synthetic division further. If you apply synthetic division further, what will this become? So see here, this will become what? Synthetic division, it will become just a minute, let me adjust the screen. Yes, it is sorted now. Okay, now let us continue synthetic division here. Same procedure you have to follow. Okay, here you have to take 0, 1 plus 0 is 1 itself. So again 2 into 1 is 2, this will become plus 1, 2 into 1 is 2, okay, 2 into 1 is 2. So this will become what? This will become minus 1. This will become what? This will become minus 1. So what we will have here? We have already E, D, okay. Now we will have what? We will have C. Correct na? This will have what? Now see here, we will have C here. Minus 1, this will be equal to C. This minus 1, this will be equal to C. So this is minus 1, this should actually, this will be plus 1 na? This will be plus 1. Okay, this will be equal to C. Now further, okay, further we have to continue because we got only E, D, C. We have to get A and B also, correct na? So here write what? 0. This will become what? 1. Okay, this 2 ones are 2. This will become what? 3. So this will become what? 3. So this further you cannot do. So what you should do here? So see, this will become what? I can write this as equal to, we got C, this will become equal to what? This will become equal to B, and this will become equal to A. Okay, this will become equal to A. Okay, this will become equal to B, this will become equal to A. This is what we have. So we got what? We got the values of A, B, C, D. Okay, let us write this down here. We got the values of A, B, C, D. We got A is equal to what? We got A is equal to 1, okay, B is equal to 3, and C is equal to what? C is equal to what? D is equal to what? We have to write it down. Okay, we got what? C is equal to what? 1. Okay, D is equal to what? Minus 17. Okay, minus 17. And E is equal to what we got? Minus 19. This is what we got. So the required translated equation is, okay, let me write it here. Therefore, let me write it here. The required translated equation is of the form, okay, we should write down ax to the power of 4, okay, plus bx cube plus cx square plus dx plus e is equal to 0. Now what we have to do? Just put the values of a, b, c, d. A is equal to what we got, friends? A is equal to, we got it as 1, and b is equal to 3. So therefore what is it? B is equal to 3x cube, okay, and c what we got? What is the value of c we got? What is the value of c we got? We got the value of c as 1 and d as minus 17. C we got it as 1, d as minus 17x, plus e we got, what we got? E value we got it as, what is it we got? E value we got it as minus 19. Okay, minus 19 is equal to 0. Okay, this is the answer, we have to get it. Okay, this is the final answer. Okay, in the end you have to show this is the final answer, so that they don't have to waste time checking your copy. Okay, they can find the answer easily. So is the, you have to write, is the required translated equation for the given equation. So this is the final answer you have to write, then only you will get 7 marks complete. Okay, so step wise see here. First what we have to do for translated equation, they were told by root 2. By minus 2 means you have to take it as root 2 means it is x minus 2 is equal to 0, so x will become equal to 2. So then you have to apply synthetic division carefully, so you have to find out what? A, B, C, D, E. Then the required translated equation is of the form ax square plus bx cube plus cx square plus dx plus e is equal to 0. You have to write down. Then you have to put the values of a, b, c, d, substitute the values. Then you will get the required translated equation for the given equation. Clear now? This is the way you have to solve this question. This is the way we have to solve this question. Fine. I will wind up now. Okay. Let's meet in the next class. That is part 2b. Okay. 2b will be solving, completing the circles chapter. Okay. We will meet there in short while from now. I will wind up now. Thank you.